The best packing cubes will be those items that make packing better and traveling easier. Get the right ones and you'll never not use them. There are many types of products, from which it is very difficult for you to get a good quality packing cubes. So to help you make a decision, I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion which packing cubes is the best. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Peak Design Packing Cube. We are aware of how Peak Design optimizes every trip option to produce a reliable configuration. Every kind of traveler, from day hikers to full-time truckers, can use it. We ultimately encountered Peak Design's travel packing cubes after evaluating a variety of their items. And if you struggle to pack efficiently, these could become your new travel companions. There are numerous products on the market that appear to have a straightforward design and function. It's difficult to tell what sets a packing cube apart from the others. There is a distinction in this PD model. Number 2. Eagle Crate Packet Spectre Cube Set. Recently, packing cubes have gained popularity as travel accessories. They assist you in saving yourself the stress of having to search through your luggage while you look for your belongings by keeping it tidy at all times. Packing cubes are made to maximize the space in any bag. They may assist you organize all of your possessions and compress your soft travel gear. They provide speedy and effective packing. They come in handy for weekend getaways, camping vacations, and longer stays where the cubes can be used for other things like laundry. Start with the Eagle Crate Packet if this is your first time using this type of product. You can easily organize your travel bag with this 3-cube set. Number 3. Travel Dude Compression Cubes. This 4-piece package from Travel Dude may interest you if you're still undecided about which compression packing cubes to purchase. It is a cost-effective choice made from plastic bottles, i.e., you obtain a few compression packing cubes while contributing to waste reduction. Anyone with a limited budget should check it out because it is an amazing set. These may satisfy all of your travel requirements if you're an eco-warrior. Number 4. Beacon Packing Cubes. The 6 packing cubes in this package resemble rectangular boxes and are constructed of reasonably durable nylon. These inexpensive organizers come in various sizes for various goods, making them suitable for use with a suitcase or even a duffel bag's compression ability. An Amazon packing cube favor doesn't necessarily indicate that the items are subpar, it merely implies they're inexpensive. Number 5. ABack Light Packing Cubes. For all of your stuff, these ABack packing cubes have not 1, not 2, but 5 lightweight cubes. The mesh tops enable you view your belongings so that you can find things more easily, while also allowing your clothing to breathe and preventing mildew. They come in 3 cheerful colors, are great for keeping you organized, and don't add much weight to your bag. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.